Have you been feeling low on energy, experiencing mood swings, or struggling to maintain your weight even while eating well? Hi, I'm Stella, and I recorded this video to clearly, sincerely, and confidently explain how Cardio Slim Tea can support your cardiovascular health and weight loss journey. Here you'll find everything you need to know to care for your heart, boost your energy, and feel lighter and more vibrant. Each delicious cup contains a powerful blend of natural ingredients designed to support circulation, balance homocysteine levels, and give you more vitality so you can enjoy daily activities, keep up with your loved ones, and feel amazing in your own body. Important: be careful when purchasing to avoid scams or counterfeit products. The link to the official website is in the video description, and only through that link can you be sure you're getting a 100% original and safe product. Cardio Slim Tea has already transformed the routines of thousands of people across multiple countries, with consistent reports of more energy, balanced blood pressure, and even easier weight management. Its formula brings together natural ingredients recognized by experts such as hibiscus flowers, ginger root, hawthorn berries, beetroot powder, and decaffeinated green tea. Together, these ingredients help support circulation, promote heart health, provide antioxidants, and naturally improve your energy, offering the care your body deserves. I recorded this video to explain in a detailed and honest way how each ingredient works in your body, so you have all the information you need to make your purchase with complete confidence. And you might be wondering, is this product really worth my investment? The answer is yes. You can buy with peace of mind knowing you're getting a tea blend developed with quality and care. Each batch of Cardio Slim Tea is blended and packaged in FDA-registered, GMP-certified facilities following the strictest quality control standards. The tea is 100% plant-based, vegetarian, soy-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, and contains no artificial stimulants. Every ingredient undergoes third-party inspections to ensure maximum purity and potency. You can trust it. I recorded this video so that you have all the necessary information and feel confident investing in something that already helps thousands of people around the world. Now it's your turn to feel the difference that so many clients have already experienced with Cardio Slim Tea. Testimonials of more energy, improved well-being, and better balance come in every day, showing how this daily care can truly support heart health and overall vitality. Remember, results depend on correct usage and may vary, as each body reacts uniquely to the natural compounds in the formula. To ensure you receive a 100% original and safe product, use only the official link provided in the description and the first comment of this video. Do not purchase from other websites or physical stores. Take advantage of the 60-day guarantee. If you don't notice improvements, you'll get your money back, no questions asked. Click the link now and start being part of this growing movement for natural heart health and well-being with all the safety and confidence you deserve.